Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from a mixed stock market. As usual, I took a quick look at the stock market indices, used the screener tool to find an undervalued technology stock that may not stay undervalued for too long, and stopped by Joseph Hogue's YouTube channel for his latest stock pick ideas. Folks, the stock market indices finished the day with mixed results. The Dow stayed above zero while the other two indices wrapped the day in the red. It's surprising to see that the market lost its momentum towards the end of the day. We heard from a few large banks today, and they all had a stellar, better than expected earnings results. Banks' performance is an indicator of solid economic recovery. Most likely, the halting of Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine has dampened the mood of investors for one more day. Today, I wanted to see if there is any solid, well-performing company out there that is still undervalued. With the talk of overvaluations being the main market theme, it seemed it is quite impossible to find such a company. Nevertheless, to my surprise, after a few minutes of playing with operations and valuations filters on the screener page, I found one stock I quite like. I focused on small or medium cap companies listed on NYSE or NASDAQ with excellent sales growth rate and no cash concerns. 204 companies showed up in my research result. As I scrolled through the results, I noticed Cloudera, ticker CLDR. It provides enterprise data platform. Most companies want to use their data, but their data is stored in different places. Some are on the cloud, some are on-premise. It's hard to connect these data sources, keep them secure, and use them to make decisions efficiently. Cloudera enables all that. Despite having growing sales and cash-generating operations, its stock price is undervalued. Look at the company's price-to-book value. It is half of its comparable sector. Also, analysts have a much higher price target for this stock. The company has been going through a transition to introduce subscription-based services, and that transition could have taken a toll on the company's stock price in the last few months and quarter. Adding this company to my watch list with a high possibility of investing in a few shares. For the second stock of the day, let me pass the mic to StockCard's partner and investor behind the Bowtie Nation portfolio on StockCard's stock pick page. As you may know him, Joseph uses StockCard in his research every Monday, and this Monday he published an excellent research about the future of drones. He discussed his top drone stock picks, and I found one of my favorite stocks in his list. This company has its hands in many emerging technologies, including space exploration. Without further ado, from here, Joseph, let's take it away.
Our first drone stock here, Kratos Defense, ticker KTOS, and this is one we've highlighted in a few of those big ideas videos. The shares are already up 11% from our space stocks video last month, and the company is involved in a lot of these trends that we're watching. Honestly, when you look at all the tech and the capabilities that this company has, from unmanned drone systems to space management, missile defense, and microwave devices, Kratos is the tip of the spear in warfighting tech. And while it's not a pure play commercial drone company, defense is really where the drone trend started, and I think a lot of these companies in aerospace and defense could play a role in that commercialization and the development. Kratos has been developing avionics and control systems for unmanned drones for over 40 years. It has the mapping technology, the tracking, and a lot of the other tech that needs to go into these things. The company is also one of the strongest on the list for earnings, with profits expected at 36 cents a share this year and 56% growth to 55 cents a share next on 15% sales growth to $957 million. That puts it at just 3.5 times on a forward price to sales basis.
Thank you, Joseph. Folks, don't forget to visit the Bowtie Nation portfolio on the stock picks page and follow Joseph's portfolio so that you can get notifications when he adds new stocks to his portfolio. And as always, if you like to give a StockCard a try, research as many stocks as you want and receive stock pick ideas from successful investors like Joseph Hogue, Sign up for 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. See you tomorrow, folks.